Good morning, fulfillment seekers, and welcome to episode 102 of Words of Wisdom. I'm Marlena Moore, personal fulfillment coach and founder of the Time Find Your Secrets course, and I'm on a mission to help people pleasers rediscover their self-worth so that they can start putting themselves first and live happy, fulfilling lives. For more videos every week to motivate and inspire you to live life to the fullest, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. So today's episode is really focused on this quote by Jim Rohn that I really love, and it really reminds me that, motivation just isn't enough. We want to take motivation and transform it into habits so that we can continue building that momentum. So it goes like this. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. So I really love this because it truly is a reminder of just how important it is to build positive habits in our life that are going to keep us going, that are going to keep us moving on our goal-getting journey. Because it's really, really simple, really, really easy to get thrown off. And motivation may not come. You may not be inspired every single day to, sit down and write for like 30 minutes. You may not be inspired to take that walk. You may not be inspired to read that book or work on a course to learn a new skill or, anything just related to your goal-getting journey. You may not be motivated on a regular basis. It may be a struggle for you. However, when you build a habit, when it becomes routine, when it becomes second nature, it becomes so much easier to actually continue building that consistent momentum of working towards achieving your goal. Whereas if you just relied on motivation alone, sometimes you can kind of rah-rah, pep yourself up, let's go kind of thing. But it only lasts but so long. And it's something that is always a constant process. But when you're in the business of having a very strong positive habits in your life, and you're truly focused in on what the end goal is, and your habit has become your routine, it just flows a lot easier. You're able to be more consistent. You're able to build more momentum in your goal-getting journey and on your goal-getting journey. And it just feels so much easier. And I find that when working on the Words of Wisdom videos, that I have a flow now. I have more of a habit and a routine, and I know what to expect when I'm working through this. At the start, in the first couple of weeks, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know how I wanted to structure things and what would make things as easy as possible and as streamlined as possible. But as I continue to work at it, and I continue to figure out what works and what makes it the easiest, it started to flow a lot better. So I'm actually going to give you a little bit of a behind the scenes of like what it takes for me to actually get all of this together, put it together for you guys, and actually share it with the world. So for starters, it starts with the idea. And so, I have little like sentences and things like that are related to the topic, or it could be a quote. And of course, I write out like a little card, like you see here, that has like the information about the episode and how I want it to flow. Very simple. I try not to make it complicated because I used to do that where I used to have a whole bunch of like word for word scripts, and it used to drive me nuts because then I'm like, oh, did I forget something? And it's simple enough for me to have it on one nice big index card in large print so that I can read it from far away if I need to. And it just makes it really simple. So it starts with the idea, then I work through the card. And then, of course, I start to think about, okay, I need to do the promo posts. I need to do like the teaser post, the post when it actually goes live. I need to also do the post to remind people and things like that. So then I get all of that together and I schedule that, and then that goes out. So I know that at least I don't have to worry about every day, oh, I gotta put the reminder, oh, I gotta do this. Like, that's done. Then, of course, I come out here and I record the episodes. I set up my car studio with the blanket and the pillows and the curtain and things like that. And, I set up my ring light. I set up my computer. I have my card out here. I set up my microphone, and everything's all set up. I record the episodes. It depends on how long the episode is. But, I can record like a bulk of 3 to 6 episodes in one sitting. And then once that's done, then of course, then I trim them down. So that way, there's no like sitting here like staring at you like, hey guys, like, like I trim all of that stuff out. I trim out the ends, and then I upload it to my editing software, Copwing. And then from there, I start to set everything up. So I have the intro, I have the outro, I put in the question box, and then I also generate the subtitles so that I can go in and edit them manually. And then once that's done, then I'm able to download it. And then once I download it, I upload it to YouTube. I have the description and all that stuff ready to go because I already did that with the promo posts. I take that and I put that into YouTube, and I schedule everything out, and that's pretty much my process. But it had to become a habit. It had to be something that I was used to, a routine, something that would allow me to be consistent and, continue with this momentum, this consistent flow, as opposed to like being like a hot mess and like, oh, what do I do? Like everything is now streamlined at this point where I know what I need to do. I know what is expected. I know what will help me to get through the week with the videos and what will make it as easy as humanly possible. So whatever it is that you're working towards, make it as streamlined as possible by building in a habit. For instance, and here's another example, I now have 2 non-negotiables that I try to hit almost every single day. I have some bad days or some days where I'm really tired, but I try my best to make sure that I read for 15 minutes and I walk for 15 minutes. Now I could obviously make it more, but 15 minutes, I can find 15 minutes at any time. That's not a problem. But if I try to do like an hour, it's like, oh, I sit down for an hour, it's an hour I could be doing something else. But 15 minutes is easy enough to commit to on a regular basis without it being a disruption or, without it taking away from something else. So I read for 15 minutes, I walk for 15 minutes. And it's become a habit now. It's something that I crave. It's something that, makes my day just a little bit brighter because it's an opportunity for me to connect with myself and what I enjoy. Like I'm reading a book of mine that I started reading probably back in high school, but it just kind of has a little nostalgia feel and things like that. And I really do enjoy reading it. And then of course, taking the walks in my neighborhood, whether it's during the daytime or at night, it's just nice to just connect with nature and to just be outside, get some fresh air and things like that. So that's all I have to say for today. Just remember that motivation will get you started, but habit is what keeps you going. So I just want to remind you guys of that. And here's the question for today, which is, what keeps you motivated on your goal-getting journey? I'd love to know what inspires you, what keeps you motivated. And also, if you want to talk about some habits that you've built to actually keep you going on your goal-getting journey, I would love to hear that. But for now, what motivates you on your goal-getting journey? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to interact with you guys, and we'll just take it from there. Connect with each other, support one another, inspire each other, and just build out this beautiful community of just wonderful people who are going after their goals and seeking personal fulfillment and trying to live the best lives possible. So I hope everyone is having a wonderful Wednesday. As always, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Words of Wisdom comes out 7 a.m. Eastern. I'll be here. I hope you'll be here too. And I will see you guys on Friday. Bye, everyone.